Okay, lawn fans, you ready? The mole is back, it's active. So I'm gonna take this flare stick right here. Do not do it this way, but I'm gonna light the end of it. I'm going to stick it down in that hole there. I'm gonna push it down as far as it will go and cover it up. And it'll smoke out that whole trail right there, tunnel. So stand by. Okay, so now we have it smoking. Here it is coming out the tunnel there. It's coming out the tunnel there. And it's gonna go all the way down through this tunnel and smoke that mole out. Look at that. And kill it off. Look, it's coming up down here. It's coming up right there. And so that's what these little flares will do. So that's gonna kill off the mole that's right here. We shouldn't see any more action from this one. That's all I got. Bermuda Brian, out.